Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Viking here, with not Minecraft, but with something else. Rubik's Cubes! Yeah, I'm a nerd. What you gonna do about it? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna solve this puppy. We're gonna start at 30 seconds. Let's get a good angle. Alright, I'm gonna keep it right here throughout the entire video. Hopefully. Let's keep that in mind that I'm probably gonna be right here. So, we're gonna start at 30 seconds. Right, ready? This is how real men solve Rubik's Cubes. Go. What did I do that for? That was dumb. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be done in a couple minutes. Why are you watching the cube, guys? Why do you insist on watching the cube? Done. Done in about 2 minutes. So, if you think you can solve it faster, which most of you probably can, post a video response showing me what you can do. I'll probably do a tutorial video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and uh, I might show you some patterns later. So, this has been Viking. I've been solving Rubik's Cubes. Bye bye.